Hey everyone, Sergio here with the Rideshare Guy. What do we say on Show Me the Money Club? Work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, which I have been for the past year and a half, you may be working a lot harder than you need to. Let's change that. Download the app, link your account where you can manage your income, track your expenses, as well as your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more money, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download the Solo app today. Begin to work smarter, not harder. Link is in the description. Let's get back to it.
Let's talk about how Lyft is now expanding the EV credit. So it was just California. Now it is coming to Chicago.
No, they're expanding to like more cities. I did when they had a big announcement with the one more shot, people. Hocus Pocus 70/30 guarantee announcement that I wrote the article in our blog, which you should go subscribe. Okay, newsletter. There were like six or seven cities, Toronto and Boston and a couple other cities. Now, again, this is from our Joe in Chicago. 50 chips for $100, pretty good. So they're expanding to Chicago for EVs. Congrats if you're in Chicago and you have an EV. I'm pretty sure you can knock out 50 quickies on Lyft in Chicago and get the extra cheese. Hey man, $100 is $100.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying? But make sure you're not getting shaved. But then who knows? We're gonna figure that out. So this is a pretty good deal. Again, Lyft doing something positive, bit by bit by bit. There was an outage on Lyft yesterday. While we're at the subject. Thank you, Mr. Risher, and you know who you are at Lyft, 3-4 of you up top there. So I got a bunch of emails, upfront fares was not showing. The pickup and drop off was showing, but there was no fare, right? So of course I get 50 emails and I put a few screenshots together and I tweeted it. Within 20 minutes, David Risher came back and said, working on it, should be fixed by now. And sure enough, in 45 minutes, they fixed the problem. Then there was a problem, Chris, with scheduled trips showing at like $1.50. See, I tweeted that too. Actually, I sent that into Lyft saying, hey, what the hell? And then this morning, somebody else put it up there saying that it fixed it. There was a glitch again, of course. So, they're working, and Lyft is doing a couple of right things, couple of wrong things as usual. And man and machine.
I don't know, but all I'm going to say is when it comes to this $100 EV bonus, don't rely on it because we all know they're going to move the goalposts. Pretty soon it'll be 100 rides given for $100, or it'll be 50 rides for $85. And then however they're going to do it, it's going to be more rides, less money. And just don't think
it's better than Uber, right? Yeah, Uber moved the goalpost, right? 200 chips for $210 now, which is ridiculous. Yep. Okay, and I moved on. Okay, buddy, you moved on. Congratulations, you made the right choice. Wish you nothing but the best. Hope you don't miss it and come back. Yeah, good. Thumbs up, Lyft. Good job.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.